Generating your profile code is the #1 requirement for your JAMB registration.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Without this profile code, you can't register for the JAMB UTME. The JAMB profile code is a 10-digit number that is unique to every JAMB applicant. It means that once you generate it, you cannot change it, you cannot alter it, you cannot get any other one. So before you generate this profile code, you have to ensure that all the informations in your NIN are correct, because it is a SIM card that is linked to your NIN that is used for the JAMB profile code generation. You have to note that once you generate this profile code, JAMB is going to collect all your details from your NIN. So it means that if you have any issue with your NIN, probably the name in your NIN is not arranged correctly, the date of birth in your NIN is not correct, you have to make sure you correct all of those things before proceeding to generate your profile code. For this profile code, all you need is a SIM card that is linked to your NIN. This is where a lot of students make mistake. I know you probably have 2, 3, or 4 SIM cards, but there is a particular SIM that is linked to your NIN. That is the SIM you will use for your JAMB profile code generation. In case you don't know this, you have to visit the NIN office, or you can check your NIN slip to verify. If peradventure the SIM card that is linked to your NIN and you've misplaced it, you have to find a way to either go for SIM retriever, or you go to the NIN office and update the phone number that is in your NIN. After this, you have to wait for 1 or 2 weeks for the changes to reflect before proceeding to generate your profile code. Also, there are a category of students that are not yet 18 years and they don't have a SIM card. What you have to do in your situation is to use your parents' SIM card to generate your profile code. And before you do this, ensure that none of your siblings, nobody else has used their SIM card for profile code generation, because if you do this, they are going to give you a profile code that you are not supposed to use, probably what someone else has used, and you can't proceed with the registration, because this profile code is the #1 delay most students usually encounter with their JAMB registration. I don't want you to be in a haste, like trying to rush up the whole process, because any mistake here with profile code generation is going to affect your registration and probably deny you your chances of gaining admission to the university.
What?
So ensure that all of these details are correct before proceeding to generate your profile code. To generate your profile code, all you need is a SIM card linked to your NIN. So the SIM card should already be in your phone. Go to the messaging app on your phone and type NIN in capital letter and the 11 digits of your NIN number. After this, you are going to get a message feedback with your profile code. That is your 10-digit profile code. If you've not registered for NIN number, you have to go to the NIN office, that is the National Identity Management Commission, to get your NIN number. I must sound this warning. Over the years, I've come across students who told me they went for their JAMB registration at the CBT center and they were trying to get their profile code, and because the thing wasn't working, the person there, the CBT manager or anybody there, actually offered to use their SIM for their profile code generation. Don't make this mistake. Don't allow any stranger or anybody to use their SIM to generate your profile code. The only time you will not use your own personal SIM card for profile code generation is if you are less than 18, that is, you don't yet have a SIM card. Or if you have a SIM card and the number, you've probably misplaced the number, or it is not what you have in your NIN currently, make sure you update it before proceeding for your JAMB registration using your profile code, because any mistake at this step will jeopardize all the effort, all your chances of gaining admission. And this profile code, once you generate it, it cannot be changed. So that is why why you have to be very careful with how you go about this process. The truth is, there are common errors that might occur while you try to generate your profile code, because sometimes you might send NIN and your 11-digit NIN number and you will not get your profile code. Sometimes it could be network problem, especially if you are using other networks. If you get the error message unable to verify your NIN, you don't need to start panicking. Just know that it is network problem. Try again later in the night, probably in the midnight, and you see how it goes. Generate your profile code way before the JAMB registration. You can also get a message that says number has already been used. In this situation, it shows that there is a number that is already linked to your NIN. So it's either you retrieve the SIM card or you go and update a new number on your NIN. If you get error 55019 or error 66019, it shows that you are not typing the message commands correctly. So make sure you type it NIN and your 11-digit NIN number to generate your profile code. A very common question some students will ask is, I wrote JAMB last year and I got my profile code last year. Do I still need to generate a new profile code? The answer is no. You cannot generate a new profile code. Even in the next 10 years, your JAMB profile code remains the same. So you cannot generate a new profile code. So if probably you've registered for JAMB previously, then you have no business with generating your JAMB profile code. If you have any problem, you have any challenge with generating your JAMB profile code, feel free to let me know in the comment and I will definitely assist you. I wish you all the best with your JAMB registration.